So that's our focus street right there. We're gonna be walking down this little alley right here. Before we do, we're kind of on this other main road right here, which is Avenida Marginal do Macau. And that goes to the inner harbor down that way, where we'll be walking down our little street. There's inner harbors right over there, actually. We'll be walking down this one. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This is Travessa dos Almirante Lacerda. This is kind of behind the through. We have a park in here, so we're going to be walking by that. And we'll just kind of see what we can see around here. I have filmed in here a long time ago, so we're going to be back filming in this area. I'll try to link it at the bottom, at the back end, so you can see it if you want to see what it looks like at different times. Yeah, you have this whole little area here. Rua Marginal. So this is actually a rua, small street, and basically pedestrian kids and things like that. So it looks like they can play. This whole area goes all the way down, and I saw another little area around the corner too. Because it's not our focus is actually this little street here. We'll just stick with our focus here. This one's Travessa del Almirante de Senado. But it looks like you kind of got stuff happening everywhere around here. So yeah, this whole little area, looks like there's oh, she's running in there. I guess the birdie went over, so she's gonna go get it. Okay. Kind of interesting street, and I think that this one continues down past that side too, I think. Let's just kind of take a look over there. If not, this would be a short street, but at least we kind of filmed a little bit more. You can see kind of this documentation of Macau, what it looks like in 2021, the COVID era. So that was our street right there, and I believe that this one is the same. Travessa, I think it's the same. Travessa do Almirante Lacerda, is that the same? If not, then oh well. I think it is the same. Last time I was here, this was open. Now it's for rent. I think a nice little space though. Looks like it might have been once kind of interesting. So real estate. Let me see. This is a restaurant with Chinese food, I believe. I like how this is open with the windows. Kadman Israeli brand. Yeah, I do remember filming down here before. That's our street right there, Travessa dos Almirante Lacerda. And it comes out to this main road right over here. Oh, last time I was here, there was people working, doing stuff like that too. So this is kind of the main road right in this whole area. Okay. So that was our focus street right here. We're just gonna end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.